Hi friends, this is Manikanta Prasanna Kumar and welcome to my channel Maths with Money. You can follow me on my Facebook page Maths with Money. Regarding myself, I was selected in RRB NTPC and also SSC CGL and I have 4 years experience in teaching quantitative aptitude. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఈరోజు మనం CGL 2018 మెయిన్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. దాంట్లో సేమ్ టాపిక్ ప్రాఫిట్ లాస్ అండ్ డిస్కౌంట్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సెప్టెంబర్ 12th షిఫ్ట్. సో నిన్న మనం సెప్టెంబర్ 11th షిఫ్ట్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా, ఈరోజు సెప్టెంబర్ 12th షిఫ్ట్. సో దీంట్లో కూడా సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 11th షిఫ్ట్లో ఎన్ని వచ్చాయో అన్నీ వచ్చాయి. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఈరోజు మనం డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ది క్లాస్.
By selling 2 articles for 800 rupees, by selling 2 articles for 800 rupees, a person gains the cost price of 3 articles. A person gains the cost price of 3 articles. The profit percentage, here he was asking profit percentage, not profit. Direct ga meeku enta profit ochindane find out cheyakaledu, you have to find out the profit percentage. Okay, let's say if I take cost price of one article is 1 rupee. Okay, what about gain? What about gain or profit? What about gain? It is cost price of 3 articles, that is 3 rupees is the gain. Clear? 3 rupees is the gain. That's it. Now you have to find out profit percentage. What is the formula for profit percentage? Profit by cost price into 100. What is the profit? Here you are getting profit is equal to 3. And what about cost price? Here one article cost price is 1 rupee, but here you are selling 2 articles. So 2 articles cost price is 2 rupees into 100. So 3 by 2 into 100 means 150 percentage. That's it. Where it is? Third option. Whether he buys for 800 rupees or 900 or 10,000 or 1 lakh, whatever the value may be. Here you are finding that profit percentage. Clear? Next one. Market price. When an article is sold at its market price, it gives a profit of 25%. Profit and 25%. If a discount of 9.6% is allowed on the market price, then what is the profit percentage? Here 2 percentages there, one is 25%, another one is 9.6%. How do you find out the percentages into fraction, or how do you convert it? So 25% first one, that is 1 by 4. That means it gives a profit of 25%, means when cost price is 4 parts, 1 part is profit. What about selling price? It is 5 parts. Okay. Next, what about the next one? 9.6%. 9.6% nothing but 96 by 1000. So convert it into 8 12s, 8 125, that is 12 by 125. So which is given on market price? Yes, that means if 125 is market price, then what about the discount? It is 12 rupees or 12 parts. It is a discount. So 125 minus 12, that is 113 parts is selling price. Clear? So you have to find out the profit percentage. That's it. Here 2 percentages, that means 2 conditions are there. How do you find the profit percentage? First, here CP, MP and SP. Okay. Since in the first condition, what is first condition? If CP is 4 parts, selling price is 5 parts. Yes, very nice. Next condition, if MP is 125 parts, if MP is 125 parts, selling price is how much? 13 parts. 113. Yes or no? Okay. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఏంటి? వెన్ అన్ ఆర్టికల్ ఇస్ సోల్డ్ ఎట్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. ఇన్ ద ఇనీషియల్ స్టేజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్? ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. అంటే ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్లో సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ 5 parts, marked price is also 5 parts because he was selling at its marked price. Okay, so in the first condition marked price is 5 parts, and in the second condition it is 125 parts. Okay, so in the both conditions you have to get the same value. That's why you have to multiply with 25 to the first case. 25. So 25 into 400 rupees. So 100 rupees is the cost price and 113 rupees is the selling price. So how much profit? 13% is the profit. 13% is, that is second condition is the, second option is the correct answer. Clear? So basically మన ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఏంటి, ఆర్టికల్ is sold at its market price, that means selling price is equal to market price. Here selling price is 5 parts, it means market price is also 5 parts. But in the second condition market price is 125 parts. You have to equate both the parts or take the LCM. 5 ki 125 ki LCM 125, so you have to multiply with 25 to the first condition. Okay, now the cost price becomes 100 rupees and selling price in the second case is 113 rupees. So what is the profit? That is 13%. That's it. Okay. 49. A man sells his goods at a certain price. Sells, very important, it is selling price. Okay, sells his goods at certain price, 20% of which is his profit. 20% of which is his profit. If the price at which he buys the goods increases by 10% and he sells them at 8% higher price, then what will be his profit percent correct to the 1 decimal place? Very, very important model in profit and loss. Basically these models won't discussed by any educator. These are the newly coming models. Okay, newly coming models in the exams. ఇంతవరకు ఎవరు డిస్కస్ చేయలేదన్నమాట. ఈ మోడల్స్ అన్నీ ఈ మధ్యన వస్తున్నాయి. ఇలాంటివి అంటే ఎక్కువగా ఈ సెల్లింగ్ అనేది మెన్షన్ చేయరు, చాలా తక్కువగా చెప్తారు, చాలా తక్కువ మంది ఎడ్యుకేటర్స్. ఓకే, సో అర్థమెటిక్ టీచ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు చాలామంది బేసిక్గా ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కవర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఎక్కడ కవర్ అవ్వవు. ఎందుకంటే ఈ ఎస్ఎస్సి 2018 మెయిన్స్లోని చాలా చాలా కొత్త మోడల్స్ వచ్చాయి, న్యూ మోడల్స్. ఓకే, సో ఆ న్యూ మోడల్స్ అనేది ఎవరూ కవర్ చేయరు. ఈవెన్ ఎవరైనా కూడా, ఫ్రాంక్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఈవెన్ నేను అర్థమెటిక్ డీల్ చేయను, బట్ ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్లో కూడా మేబీ నేను కొన్ని కవర్ చేయలేనటువంటివి రావచ్చు. ఓకే, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో ద కాన్సెప్ట్. యాజ్ దిస్ మోడల్ అనేది ఎవరు కవర్ చేయకపోవచ్చు, బట్ యూ నో ది కాన్సెప్ట్. సో వాట్ హీ వాస్ గివెన్ అండ్ హౌ టు అప్రోచ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. Here 20% of which is profit, 20% convert into ratio 1/5, and it was given sells his goods, that means if 5 parts is selling price, then 1 part is a profit. That is important. Okay, since he was selling his goods, so definitely this 5 becomes selling price and 1 is profit. So if selling price is 5 parts and 1 part is profit, then what about cost price? It is 4 parts. And selling price is how much? It is 5 parts. Clear? Here profit was given on selling price, that is important. Next, cost price is increased by, here the price which he buys the goods increases by 10%. Cost price increased by 10% and selling price increased by 8%. What about profit percent? Since here the percentage is given, I'll take 4 parts and 5 parts as 400, 500. Then because hundreds are there, then it is easier. Okay, so since it is 4 parts, 5 parts, I'll take hundreds parts, that is 400 and 500. Now this cost price increased by 10% and selling price increased by 8%. Now tell me, 400 increases to 10%, that is 440. Yes, 500 increases to 8%, then it is 540. 8% of 500 means 40, so 500 becomes 540. So this is selling price and it is sorry, this is cost price and it is selling price. So what about profit? Here you can take a ratio also. Now tell me the ratio. 0 0 cancel, 2 22s and it is 2 27s. 22 parts become 27 parts. What about the profit? 5 parts upon 22 into 100. This is profit percentage, because profit by cost price into 100. So చూడండి 2 11s, 2 50s. 250 by 11, that is at 11 twos and 11 twos, 22 point something. 22 point something, that is only first option. So first option is the correct answer. Did you understand this concept? Here selling price, here profit is on selling price, not on cost price. That is important. Okay. Sujata marks an article 36% above the cost price and allows a 40% discount on the market price. Here observe, కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్కి 36% అబోవ్ మార్క్ చేసింది, నెక్స్ట్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ మీద 40% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చింది. ఇట్స్ లైక్ సక్సెసివ్ డిస్కౌంట్, సక్సెసివ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ డిక్రీజ్. చూడండి, ఇయర్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్, ఇయర్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ అండ్ ఇయర్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ మీద ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసింది? 36% ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసింది. దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ది మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. నెక్స్ట్ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ మీద ఎంత డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చింది? దట్ ఈస్ -40%. సో డెఫినెట్లీ యూ విల్ గెట్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. Here the first cost price is increased by 36%, next it was decreased by 40% to get the selling price. So you have to find out the loss percentage. Loss percentage is between cost price to selling price. Here if you observe clearly, it is successive increase and decrease. So directly I can solve this using how? 36%. 36% means 4 9s 4 25s. So initially 25 rupees or 25 parts becomes 9 parts increase, so 34. Next 40% decrease, that is -2 by 5. Initial 5 parts becomes 5 minus 2, that is 3 parts. So this is 25 into 5 multiplication, 125 parts. 34 into 3, that is 102 parts. So this is cost price and this is selling price. This is cost price and it is selling price. So cost price is 125 parts, it becomes 102 parts, that is selling price. How much it is decreased? How much it is decreased? 23 parts upon initial, that is cost price 125 into 100. This is the loss percentage. 25 5s, 25 4s. 4 into 23, that is a 92 by 5. It is equal to 18.4%. That is fourth option is the correct answer. Very, very simple, because market price is always on cost price and discount is always on market price. Since it was given in alternative, it was given in successive ways, that's why I can take it directly. Clear? An article is sold at certain price, it is sold at 80% of this price, okay, then there will be loss of 10%. Okay, what is the percentage of profit when the article is sold at the original selling price? Okay, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఈ ఆర్టికల్ is sold at certain price, I don't know what is the price he was selling, but if it is sold at 80% of this price, please remember, here we have initial selling price and final selling price. Okay, initially we don't know how much he was selling, certain price. Okay, 80% means 4 by 5. That means if initial selling price is 5 parts, what about the final selling price? 4 parts. Okay, if he was selling at 4 parts, if the selling price is 4 parts, then what about the loss? It is a 10%. Loss is how much? 10%. 10% means 1 by 10. That means if suppose this is the cost price, okay, if cost price is a 10 parts, then what about the selling price? 1 part is a loss. So what about selling price? 9 parts when you are selling at this price. Clear all of you? In the first case it is 4 parts, in the second case it is 9 parts. In both the cases you get the same value. That's why here I multiply with 9, here also I'll multiply with 9. So here also multiply, sorry, here I am not multiplying with 9, sorry. Okay, here multiplying with 4. Okay, so 4 into 9 36, 9 into 4 36, 5 into 9 45. Here multiplying with 4, here also 4 40. Okay, now what is asking, what is the percentage profit when the article is sold at the original or initial selling price? Now cost price is 40, selling price is 45. So what is the profit? 5 parts upon cost price, that is 40 into 100. 5 eighths, 8 12.5. So 12.5% is the percentage profit. Where it is? First option. So here in the first condition, selling at 80% of the price, 80% of the initial price, 80%, 4 by 5. 5 parts is initial, 4 parts is final selling price. But second condition, he was given loss percentage, that is 10%, 1 by 10. 10 parts is cost price, then 1 part is a loss. What about SP? CP minus loss, that is a 9 parts. In the first case it is 4 parts, it is 9 parts. In both the cases you will get the same selling price. That's why you are taken the LCM of 4 and 9, that is 36. So from that, here the selling price, initial selling price becomes 45 and the cost price is 40. So you have to take the profit percentage, 5 profit upon 40 into 100. So what is the answer? 12.5%. A person sells an article at 60% below its cost price. Had he sold it for 33 rupees more, he would have gained 14%. He would have gained 14%. To gain 25%, he should sell the article for. He should sell article for how much? Very simple, here it is. Suppose if the cost price of the article, cost price of the article is 100 rupees or 100 parts. Okay. Now initially a person sells an article at 16% below its cost price. Ante enta kammadu? 84 rupees kammadu. Antena? Initial ga. Next, had he sold it for 33 rupees more, he would have gained 14% gain. So 114% gain ante 114 parts. So what is the difference? 84 and 114. It is given as 30 parts. 30 parts is given as 33 rupees. If you clearly observe, if you clearly observe this, the cost price is 100 parts. The first selling price is 84 parts. What about the second selling price? 114. How much it was increased? 30 parts. But it is given as how many rupees? 33 rupees. Okay. Next, what you have to find out? Here you have to find out to gain 25%, 100% ki gain 25 ante 125 parts. He should sell the article. So enta article sell cheyali? 125 parts sell cheyali. Yes. If 30 parts is 33 rupees, then what about 125 parts? That's it. That is how much? Cross multiplication, 125 into 33 by 30. That is 5 6 and 5 25s. 6 5s, 6 5s. 25 into 5.5. Here you can multiply it or you can directly do the digital sum also. Okay. See here, definitely 0.5 is there. 5 into 5, unit digit must be 0.5. Yes. How many options having 0.5? Option C and option D. So maybe option C, maybe option D. Next, apply the digital sum. If I apply the digital sum, 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 5, 10 ante digital sum enta 1. 7 into 1 enta 7. So digital sum 7 రావాలి. ఎక్కడ వస్తుందో అదే ఆన్సర్. 5319. So ఇది digital sum 0. ఇది కాదు. 5319 digital sum 0 plus 7. So digital sum is 7. So what is the correct option? C. Option C is the correct option for this question. The market price of an article is 800 rupees. and it is sold at a discount of 19 percentage, and at a discount of 19 percentage. If there is a gain of 8 percentage, if there is a gain of 8 percentage, by what percent above the cost price was the article marked? Okay, it is very simple. Discount is given on MP. Yes, MP is to SP. Yes, next, gain, profit percentage is always on cost price, CP, and it is SP. Now take the percentages. So what here, discount 19 percentage, 19 percentage means 19 by 100. If 100 rupees is the market price, selling price is equal to how much? 100 minus 19, that is 81 parts is the selling price. Okay, next, profit of 8%, profit of 8% means 4 by, sorry, 2 by 50, 2 by 25, sorry, 2 by 25. That means if 25 rupees is cost price, then what about selling price? 27. Yes, so very simple. ఇంకేముంది, అయిపోయింది. So now by direct multiplication, you will get SP cancel, finally you will get what? MP is to CP. 25 ones, 25 fours, 27 ones, 27 threes. So 4 into 1 4, 3 into 1 3. That is, if MP is 4 parts, what about CP? 3 parts. What he was asking, by what percentage the cost above the cost price was the article marked? Here see, 3 parts is cost price and 4 parts is market price. How much increase it is there on market price? 1 part upon cost price, that is 3 parts into 100. 1 by 3 into 100 means a 33, 1 by 3 percentage. Where it is? That is first option. So first option is the correct answer. That's it.
Hold on friends, wait for 2 minutes. I will tell you 2 things for you. So the things are here. First thing, all pure maths topics PDFs are available in Instamojo. సో ఇక్కడ ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ అనగానే మీకు కొన్ని టాపిక్స్ తెలియాలి. సో ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే మనకి ఏమొస్తాయి? ఆల్జీబ్రా వస్తుంది, ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ, జామెట్రీ, కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ, మెన్సురేషన్, 2D అండ్ 3D అండ్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్. ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకి ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ టాపిక్స్ కింద వస్తాయి. సో వీటన్నిటికీ కూడా నా క్లాస్ నోట్సెస్, అలానే తర్వాత మీకు దానికి సంబంధించిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి మీకు ప్రస్తుతం ఇన్స్టామోజోలో ఉన్నాయి. వీటితో పాటు డిఏఓకి ఎవరైతే ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో, ఏపీపీఎస్సి కండక్ట్ చేసే డిఏఓ ఎగ్జామ్కి సంబంధించిన స్టాటిస్టిక్స్, మ్యాట్రిసెస్, లాగరిథమ్స్ అండ్ బైనామియల్ థీరం అండ్ ఆల్సో సెట్స్, రిలేషన్స్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్, ఈ టాపిక్స్కి కూడా మీకు పీడిఎఫ్స్ అనేవి అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. అంతేకాకుండా ఏపీపీఎస్సికి సంబంధించి ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కంపైలేషన్ అనేది టాపిక్ వైజ్ చేశాను. సో ఆ టాపిక్ వైజ్ కంపైలేషన్ కూడా మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టామోజోలో మీకు అవైలబుల్గా ఉంది. సో మీకు ఎవరికైతే ఇవి కావాలనుకుంటున్నారో వీళ్ళు డైరెక్ట్గా నేను లింక్స్ అనేవి డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇచ్చాను, వాటి నుంచి అయినా మీరు పర్చేజ్ చేయొచ్చు. లేదు అంటే నా నెంబర్కి 9490882754 ఈ నెంబర్కి మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేసిన త్రూ వాట్సాప్ ద్వారా కూడా మీరు పర్చేజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఏంటి అంటే కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ గురించి. అఫైర్స్ క్లౌడ్ అనేది ఒక వెబ్సైట్ అనమాట. సో దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ డైలీ అండ్ వీక్లీ అండ్ మంత్లీ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇయర్లీ. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏంటంటే డైలీ, వీక్లీ, మంత్లీ, ఇయర్లీ వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళు తీసుకునే అమౌంట్ కూడా ఎక్కువేం కాదు. సో జస్ట్ 300 రూపీస్. దానికి తోడు ఇంకా మీరు నా రెఫరల్ కోడ్ మ్యాథ్స్ విత్ మనీ అనే రెఫరల్ కోడ్ వాడారు అనుకోండి, ఇంకొక 10% తగ్గుతుంది. అంటే 30 రూపీస్ మీకు తగ్గి 270 రూపీస్కే మీకు వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, సో నేను లింక్స్ అనేవి డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇచ్చాను. సో ప్లీజ్ ఒకసారి చూడండి, మీకే ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది లింక్స్ గురించి, అంటే ఆ అఫైర్స్ క్లౌడ్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. సో శాంపిల్ పీడిఎఫ్స్ కూడా వాళ్ళు పెట్టారు, వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఉంటాయి ఏంటనేది చూసి పర్చేజ్ చేసుకోండి, చాలా బాగున్నాయి. ఓకే, ఈవెన్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో ఫాలోయింగ్ ద సేమ్ లింక్స్. Okay, with this I'll conclude this session, and have a good day, and very all the best to all of you. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.